I have a new cure for the hiccups. For you people that get hiccups easily and can't get rid of them easily, I just found a new way to get rid of them by accident. My daughter made me laugh so hard, I got the hiccups, and I hate them. So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to jog around the house. And I jogged around the house, and they were gone in less than 3 minutes. So, next time you get the hiccups and you don't want them, jog around your house, go outside, jog around the house, and they'll be gone. Guaranteed.